Oh, I might as well masturbate now. Rebax! What is good? It's your boy Laser. You guys are into the vlogs. We're back with another scary reaction video. You love this scary content, so I continue to fucking put that shit out for you guys. And this is reacting to chilling encounters concerning Ring doorbell footage. This is about to be absolutely scary. If you guys enjoy the scary content, you know what's scary is like this feature, somebody hit the like button. This is good. Hey, to no reason, it takes us a second off to stream every night on Twitch. Go check out the streams, are fucking amazing, bro. Let's dive straight into this video. Creepy Chronicle. Here we go, bro. It's about to be terrifying, man. So scary.
In our first initial segment, Ring doorbell footage, the camera captures a distressing scene where a group of individuals wearing masks invades the homes of two elderly couples.
Wait, what?
Armed with guns, they forcibly enter the residences and proceed to collect money and other valuable belongings owned by the couples.
Damn, so they just
The gravity of this situation cannot be understated, as the intrusion and threat to the safety of the elderly residents are deeply concerning.
Bro, is she watching the fucking, that cowboy movie? What's it called, bro? The one with, damn, bro. She got a fucking, like, she need help walking. She can't even stand on 2 feet that easy, bro. And y'all really gonna rob her, bro? Damn, bro, what's next, bro? Y'all gonna sniff her fucking granny bras or some shit, bro? You can be like, give me the bra, granny. Y'all gonna steal her cane, bro, and then, I don't know, fucking stick it up her, like, ass? Like, what the fuck are you doing, bro? That's fucked up. They really went after this poor lady, bro. Damn, she was just trying to watch her fucking Sunday tunes, bro. What the fuck? That's fucked, bro. That's actually fucked. That's actually fucked. That's fucked, man. Where the fuck did you steal? A safe of money? Damn, bro.
In this unsettling segment Ring doorbell footage, we witness a group of 3 masked men as they approach a property with clear intent.
What?
With calculated precision, they navigate a security fence by jumping over it, gaining unauthorized access to someone's property.
Oh, yeah?
Their deliberate actions and masked appearance raise immediate concerns about their motives.
What motives do they have, bro? Wait, what? What's going on, bro? What's going on, bro? Damn, they plotting something, bro. Motherfuckers are plotting something. Aha.
In this intense segment Ring doorbell clip, we observe a man accompanied by a woman attempting to invade a house while armed with a gun. Their actions suggest a dangerous intent as they approach the property.
I've seen this video before.
However, the situation takes a sudden turn as
bro, like, I've said this in all my other videos, bro. They bring a nice ass chick, bro. So that way when, like, the situation plays out, it makes them seem not as bad. Cause, like, think about when you just bring a nice girl, you think they're not gonna have bad intentions, but no, they use the bad girl as a way to lure people, you know?
They swiftly make a U-turn and drive away.
It's a very smart strategy that people do. Like, these robbers,
in this notable portion Ring doorbell footage, the keen eye of a property owner catches a suspected movement involving a man and his dog on camera. The observant homeowner's vigilance prompts questions, leading to a confrontation with the man in question.
What?
The curious behavior of the man and his dog raises concerns about their intentions. The property owner's proactive response in confronting the situation highlights the importance of community watchfulness and swift action when faced with suspicious activities.
That's facts, bro.
No, I'm not. What?
That's
You're on
facts.
camera right now.
Tell me, what? What am I doing?
I didn't. What am I doing? I didn't do anything. What am I doing? Hey, what am I doing?
What's going on, bro?
Exactly. I was talking to you. Hey, I was talking to her.
Go that way, bitch.
I'll beat your ass. I'll beat your ass.
Oh, you'll beat his ass, alright? Guys, look, it says All-Star. See how he... Hold on. Let me move. Fuck. You see this shirt, bro? It says All-Star. I guarantee he's an All-Star for masturbating, bro. That's the only thing he's an All-Star for. He probably jacks his meat off to fucking furry porn every night, bro.
I'll make you my bitch.
Damn, bro, he walking his fucking pit bull. Is that pit bull or whatever? I don't know.
I'm what? You're gonna go to jail. I'm what? Exactly, punk. You're the punk.
Damn, bro, they literally are taking it on the streets.
You pick up your shit, bitch.
Motherfucker thinks he's like a James Bond agent, bro.
You better pick up your shit, motherfucker. Go ahead, and I'll have you arrested. Piece of shit. You didn't pick it up?
I don't even know what was going on, bro. I just saw them fighting over something on the street or whatever, bro.
Yeah.
In this chilling segment Ring doorbell clip, a man is captured wearing a bulletproof vest and holding a firearm as he walks onto someone's porch. His attire and armed presence raise immediate concerns about his intentions and the potential threat he poses.
Why do they cover the cameras,
Adding
bro?
to the unsettling nature of the situation, he takes deliberate steps to cover the camera, concealing his identity.
It's kind of like, bro, whenever they cover the camera, you want to know what it reminds me of, bro? It reminds me of the fucking, like those Instagram pages that literally censor out words that literally, like, mean absolutely nothing. Like, they censor out words that aren't even bad. Like, this is... No, like, that's a bad comparison. It's kind of like when they censor something, but they do a terrible job at it. Like, you know, there's those pages that, like, do a terrible job at censoring things? That's what this is really like, bro. Like, this guy gains nothing from covering the camera.
In this concerning Ring doorbell footage, two individuals, a man and a woman, are observed confidently taking someone's belongings from their premises under the cover of night.
Oh, yeah?
Their brazen demeanor raises immediate alarms, as they appear unfazed by the act of taking items that do not belong to them.
Damn, bro.
The fact that they are operating in darkness adds an element of stealth to their actions.
What do you think they are, bro? Batman? What do you think they are, bro? Stealth? What are they even stealing, bro? Weed bags? Or are those trash bags? Are they going dumpster looking, bro? Like, when they look for valuables in, like, dumpsters and shit? That's what I think's going on, right? Damn, bro, you're making the bitch do everything.
In this intriguing Ring doorbell footage, a woman wearing a mask is captured as she approaches someone's porch with a clear purpose.
What?
She retrieves a note from the letter storage box before proceeding to knock at the door, seemingly to confirm the availability of the property owner.
Oh, yeah?
Her deliberate actions raise questions about her intentions.
What, bro? What's going on, man?
Piece by piece.
What's she doing, bro? Bro, she changing the calendar date? What the fuck even is that, bro? Is that like toilet paper on the side of the house? You telling me people just, like, they'll go in front of their porch, bro, and do this? Do in front of the whole road, bro. You know, on 4th of July, bro. The whole 𝐿𝐴𝐵 party, bro. I mean, the whole party, bro. They just look at the neighbor going out, bro, taking a massive green shit, bro. Have you ever took your shit so hard, bro, that your shit came out orange, bro? Get it? And it looks like oranges, so you eat it.
Hurry up.
What's going on, bro? What's going on, bro?
In this swift and concerning Ring doorbell footage, a man is observed walking into someone's premises, picking up items, and hastily departing.
Wait, what's going on? Wait, what the fuck? The lights went off, baby. Man, I don't know what was going on there,
In this distressing segment Ring doorbell clip, a man is captured confidently making his way into someone's house with a clear intention to steal valuable equipment that was kept outside.
Wait, what?
His unwavering demeanor as he enters the premises raises immediate alarms.
What's going on, bro? Wait, what is he selling? Is he selling a chair?
In this concerning portion Ring doorbell footage, a man is seen entering someone's premises while covered.
No, bro, he just stole my masturbation blanket. Guys, hold on a second. Hold on a second. Oh, I might as well masturbate now.
Covering himself, suggesting an attempt to conceal his identity. He makes his way to where bikes are parked, takes one of the bikes, and swiftly departs. In this disconcerting Ring doorbell footage, a man is observed taking a valuable item from someone's front door.
What? What valuable, bro? Who the fuck keeps
In this
their hose out
unsettling
like that?
nighttime Ring doorbell scene, a man is captured sneaking to pick up items from someone's front door.
Oh yeah, he looks
His
pretty innocent to me.
surreptitious actions raise immediate concerns about his intentions and the nature of the items he's picking up.
Looks pretty nice to me, bro. Not like he's doing anything bad. Feel me? Wait, what's going on?
In this unsettling nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a masked man is captured walking towards a vehicle with dubious intent. He proceeds to deflate the tires of the vehicle, triggering the car alarm in the process.
Wait, what?
Startled by the unexpected alarm, he quickly flees the scene.
What, bro? Wait, what's going on here? Oh damn, he just dipped like that. Bro really did that just to a truck, just to gain nothing from it? Asshole. Bro, he's popping all the tires, bro. Damn, bro, we got Mr. Tire Thief over here, bro. What's next? He's gonna pop some plastic titties. Kylie Jenner, Kim Kardashian, Kimmy. You gonna pop her titties too because they're plastic? Pop the plastic. Ah! Pop, pop, ah! Damn, bro, that car behind them, I wonder what they were thinking, bro. Oof.
In this segment of the footage, a man is observed walking onto someone's premises with the intent to grab items that were left outside.
Most friendly New York.
His actions suggest a level of audacity, as he takes items without permission or proper authorization.
What's even going
This
on?
scenario raises concerns about respecting personal property and boundaries.
Wait, what's going on, bro? I don't even know what's going on here. Damn. Damn, that's crazy as shit, bro.
In this unsettling nighttime Ring doorbell scenario, a man is captured engaging in suspicious activity by breaking into parked cars, seemingly searching for valuables.
Like, bro, I say it all the time. Keep those fucking doors locked, bro. Like, imagine keeping something valuable in front of the seat, bro. You know?
His actions indicate
Like some
potential
rainbow
criminal
dildos,
intent,
bro.
as he forcibly gains access to parked vehicles with the goal of stealing valuable items.
Bro, when he says valuable, have you guys ever put your rainbow dildo in your car, bro? And then when nobody's looking, bro, like you're on your break for work, bro, you're like, rainbow dildo, taste the rainbow, bitch. And then you start going up the asshole, and your asshole's like, oh, I'm ready to taste the rainbow, all right? What's going on here, bro? I don't know what's going on, bro. What's going on, man? Wait, what? I'm lost.
In this distressing Ring doorbell scene, two men are captured breaking into a house, invading the property with the apparent purpose of searching for valuable items.
What kind of valuable items, huh?
Their actions indicate a coordinated attempt to enter the house without permission, suggesting potential criminal intent such as theft or burglary.
Oh, shit. I don't even know what's going on here, bro. What the fuck is that thing on the seat, bro? It looks like that fucking chocolate dude from that SpongeBob episode, bro. But instead of him being like brown like chocolate, he's white. It looks just like the fucker, bro. The skinny ass neck. Y'all see that shit, bro? Like, look, right here. The fuck? What the fuck is that? It has like two small eyes. Baymax if he wasn't fat and didn't steal all the food from the pantry. Damn, that's crazy, bro. Well, guys, this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, guys. Those videos had me absolutely shook, bro. I was terrified. If you guys enjoyed this content, or curious like this feature, easy to do, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.